Tapos, kwento ni Dylan, sabi niya, pumasok daw yung babae. Tapos dumiretso doon sa cooler. Diyan yung sa fridge. Kasi may mga single cans na cooler. Pumasok daw. Tapos biglang pumunta doon. Kumuha ng Smirnoff na 473 ml na Smirnoff. Tapos biglang bigay sa kanya. Ngayon, nakalimutan niyang i-ask ng ID. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog! So ngayong araw ay andito ako sa kabilang store sa 17th Avenue across Elliston Park. So kaninang umaga andun ako sa Ogden, tapos hapon andito ako. So ako lang mag-isa, wala si Aldrin. Hindi na pwedeng dalawa sa isang shift kasi hindi naman busy like Christmas and New Year. So itong store na to, ito yung baby store ng employer ko. So ano pa lang to dito, magsi 3 years pa lang kami dito. Hindi siya kalakihang store, pero ano siya, na-accommodate din naman lahat ng, not lahat, pero mostly ng mga products. Like beer, coolers, and then yung wines, hard liquor, whiskeys, ganon. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung store. Yan, so yan yung cooler. Yan, dyan sa loob yung cooler. And then ito naman yung sa labas. Yan. Yan. May tanduay kami dito guys, oh. Tanduay. Yan, tanduay. Las Islas Pilipinas. From Philippines. So of course, yung Emperador, Fundador. Yan.
Hi.
Hello. How are you, Randy?
I'm good.
Great. So, how's the day?
I didn't do very much. I got up really late today.
What happened?
Lazy.
Oh my God.
What do you want? Go back to the bar. Go back where you belong.
There's definitely something wrong here.
Let's fix this. Let's fix this.
There's no point in fixing it.
Oh my.
What do you want?
Rainier, go get my fish.
A what?
You know, you're the person that I don't like to feed today. What happened? We don't have Rainier. It will come tomorrow. Let me check. No. Let me check if we have the 8 cans.
No.
Yeah. If there is, yeah, just wait. Okay, I have. I'll give you 2 8 cans. Okay? With the
Okay.
same price of the 15.
Okay. You the girl. Oh my jeez.
Rainier 15 cans will come tomorrow. So that, I saw your truck there. I said, I'm in trouble.
You're not in trouble, my love.
True. Okay. So I'll put this in the bag.
Oh, thank you very much.
So it's easy. So now you're going home.
Yep, I'm homeward bound now for the night.
Okay.
And then I might not come out now no more the weekend.
No more the weekend.
I might just hibernate. I'm getting
Thank you
hibernated
so
now.
much. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's better.
Well,
Because
my cat told me that I gotta cut down.
okay,
Yeah, Chester said that's it. You gotta cut down, boy. You're just getting too.
you should follow.
Too
Something
crazy.
failed.
Yeah, I know. That's only the fucking $500 worth of fuel I have to pay today.
Oh my God,
Jeez.
that's a lot. $500 and then $500.
Well,
Lucky
I had to
day.
pay my cable, my cell phone, and my gas and electricity. It was $495.
That's not bad though, considering.
You know, but yeah, it was fuck.
I know.
Yeah, but hey,
Bill is bill.
Yeah.
Due date is due date.
Right? Yeah.
when you got a phone like that,
What phone is that?
that's an old flip phone.
No,
Motorola?
Motorola is.
That fucking antique.
Vintage
And that
phone.
cost me $40 or 70 cents a fucking month
Yeah.
Wow.
for that piece of shit. And all I do is get a call and I phone somebody. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
I don't
important.
text with it. I don't
No
see no
Yeah, right.
videos.
Facebook.
I don't see no naked women on. What the hell am I doing?
Not in that phone.
Nah, it just gets me going. That's all. I think I'm gonna update it. Now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
upgrade.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, darling.
Yeah,
Thank you very
well,
much.
thank you so much. Sorry about that. We'll get it
Oh,
tomorrow.
no, don't worry.
Yeah.
I could have actually done without it but I don't think I'm coming out tomorrow. So
Yeah. So
I know,
at least you
just-
have something inside. Yeah, at least.
you got
Yeah, we have. I think the white one.
only one. No, only got one.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Mikey. I tell you,
Right.
come on.
I told
Hey.
him I will save the best cardboard for you.
You got the. Well, you got numbnuts, Coors like that.
Yeah,
He's there. He'll probably be in.
Kevin.
Oh yeah.
All right, he'll be here.
No, I'm not.
I will
Okay.
see him later.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Take care.
You have a good night. See
Okay.
you later. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh my god, Randy. Yeah, it's windy today.
Yeah, it is. I don't like
Bit
it.
chilly.
It's not very nice.
Yeah, bit chilly today.
A lot different than yesterday.
Yesterday was so nice.
Yesterday was
15
so nice
degrees.
outside.
Wow. Everybody were so happy.
Yeah.
Oh my. So, how's there? Next door?
Not very many people.
No?
It's all the daytime regular people.
Yeah, and now they're leaving.
Soon, yeah, an hour, maybe two,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
they'll leave.
I saw Ryan, because Kaden was here.
Oh, really?
But Ryan didn't get off from the car
Oh,
because I
okay.
think Zeta came earlier and she bought
Oh, did
the
she?
beer for Ryan.
Yeah.
So only Kaden came here and then he bought the Rockstar and that was it. I don't know today. I don't know. It's quiet, Randy. No,
Yeah, a little bit.
a bit quiet. Yeah.
I mean, you've only been here for a little while, though.
Yeah.
Like an hour.
Like I came 4:45.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
You're early.
I know.
Something wrong with you.
From Ogden
yeah.
straight here.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, we better. No, we passed by home. I went inside only and refill my tumbler
Yeah,
for
yeah.
water,
Yeah.
and then we went to the daycare, pick up the
Mhm.
baby, and then came here, and then they're done, and then play 4:45 today.
Hmm.
What to do, Randy? Bit chilly, but in this area is always windy.
It's because it's out in the open, right?
Also, yeah.
It's so far out, like, towards the edge of the city.
Yeah. Hi, what to do, Randy? Now I feel bored. I just did this one. I'm finished
Oh,
with this.
yeah.
I'm done. And what else? What I will do? Oh yeah, later the beer order.
Yeah.
But I feel lazy as of now. We'll see later.
I want to do that. I don't want to do
Again?
nothing.
Yeah. Oh my God. I will bring my cell phone again. What the? Okay. So we haven't tried next door, Randy.
No, not yet.
So when are we getting there? You know.
I'm gonna have to wait until February.
We will just ask their menu.
Ask her to see their menu.
Yeah,
They don't have any to-go menus though.
that's the thing.
Yeah.
We need to go there. No, just go there and ask. But yeah, they don't have takeaway menu.
Yeah.
But I saw Eric
Oh really?
last Saturday.
Oh really?
Yeah,
It wasn't in the bar. I don't think.
he was
Oh, not when I was there. No.
last Saturday. I was here. Eric was here in the morning.
Oh really? Oh, in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Last Saturday, and he bought cold ones 15 cans and the Fireball Mickey. And I told him, Eric, you know what? Me and Randy, we've been talking about you. Like, Randy was looking for you. I haven't seen Eric. I haven't seen. And then now you showed up. So he said, he was laughing. Oh my God, he was laughing. Why are you guys looking for me? Ah!
Yeah.
Was it crazy? I said, because every weekend you're here,
Yeah.
right? And then suddenly you're not.
Yeah.
So, we're wondering. So you have to tell us where is your condominium or apartment so we can go and check. He was laughing. He was laughing. He said, "Intruders, you and intruders." I said, "Well, you are lucky if you have like Randy and me looking for you, right?" He was laughing. Crazy Eric. What time you will go home tonight? Later?
Probably around 11.
Yeah. Me 10. Yeah. But it's quiet, eh? So
You
no
work
need to
tomorrow,
stay.
Saturday too?
I'll be here Saturday. Saturday I won't be here whole day. I'll be here until 4.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Aldrin will be here. So oh my god, I didn't know we don't have the Rainier 15 cans. That's okay. You know, today is a lazy day for me.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I got up so late today.
Yeah.
Oh. I set my alarm for 9 o'clock.
Wait, what time you slept?
So, and then I'm like, I push snooze and I'm like, oh.
Mm.
So then I slept again. I'm like, maybe give me an hour. Oh, man. 3 o'clock.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I slept till like 3 this afternoon. I'm like, oh, I need to get up and go.
You're in a hurry. Yeah.
So bad.
Like, I have to leave. I have to leave. I
Yeah.
have to leave now. And go. Oh my god, Randy.
I'm gonna go back over and go plug my phone in.
Okay. Yeah. Then I'll see you later.
See you.
Like, you know, trying to energize. Alam nyo, may ano talaga, may araw talaga na matumay, guys. So, tahimik lang. Kikinig ka lang ng music. Tapos, pero ako, order day dito bukas. Kaya lang wala ako dito sa umaga. Eh, yung order namin isa-submit ng morning or before 1 p.m. So, ang gagawin ko ay magsulat na lang ako ng order ko para dito. Tapos, iwan ko lang at i-ask ko yung kasamahan ko kung mayroon siyang idagdag, isulat niya dito tapos isend na lang niya sa akin. Tapos doon ko gawin ang order sa kabilang store. So ngayon dito, Thursday, matumal siya today. Matumal. And also mahangin sa labas, malamig. Hindi siya malamig kung walang hangin, pero kung mahangin, lumalamig siya. So, hindi sa lahat ng araw ay busy ang liquor store. Pero Friday, Saturday, kasagsagan busy talaga yon. Pero pag summer naman ako, everyday, not everyday din. Sunday, Monday, hindi masyado. Pero pag Tuesday till Saturday, busy talaga siya. Pag summer. Pero pag winter, hindi masyado guys. Hindi masyado. Lalo na pag after holidays, like dito kasi may Black Friday, may Christmas, may Boxing Day, may New Year's Day. So yun, pagdating ng January, wala na talagang kapirahan yung mga tao. Parang nagbabayad na sila. Pay time. It's payback time, parang ganun. Kasi kaskas ng kaskas, kaskas ng kaskas. Yung iba. So, January is yung paniningil. So, yun nga yung sabi dito ng isa, ng customer kanina na wala daw siyang pera kasi ang dami niyang binabayaran. Mga bills niya, phone, electricity, water, yung tinatawag nila na Inmax, yun, mortgage, yun, bayaran. So, kaya pagdating ng January, February, March, hindi talaga masyado pang busy sa mga months na yun kasi nabugbog last year sa holidays. Yun lang. So ito lang, upo lang ako dito. Nagawa ko naman na yung ibang gawain. So ang pending ko na lang ay yung magsulat ng beer order para bukas. Hintay lang ng mga customer. Tumal talaga. Silent night kumbaga. Good, good. Thank you. How's your day?
Good.
Oh, well.
Good. I'm so glad tomorrow's Friday.
Are you off? No, Saturday.
Why I got off Saturday.
All right.
Last day of the week. So
Yes, for sure. Like, is it Saturday and Sunday, Cheryl, for you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 kind of thing, right?
It's office hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. 32. Thank you so much. Already. Owen's with you there. Always.
Yes.
Thank
Yes. It's so
you,
nice,
Cheryl.
right?
Thank you so much.
Where's your cup?
Yeah. You know, it's gone. Oh, thank you.
There you go.
What happened last Saturday? There were drunk people, and I don't want to fight. And they're asking for a glass or a paper cup or something. So I told them, please go to 7-Eleven. You can get for free. No, we want now. I don't want to fight. I said, okay, this is the glass. I said, okay, just get
Yeah,
it.
because you don't know how they're gonna be.
Right? Yeah. So just to avoid the
Right.
fight, then okay, just get
Or
this.
just get
No
your deal
problem.
alone, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no, I get that.
True.
I get that. Because you
So,
have to be safe.
yes.
You have to be safe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Cheryl. You have a great night.
You too.
Thank you so much. See you later. Bye-bye. All right. 38. Okay. Thank you. Already. Thank you so much. You have a great night.
Yeah, you
Thank
too.
you. We'll see you later.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Last Saturday, may mga customer kami na lasing. So ako yung naka-duty dito. Ngayon, nag-ask sila ng cup. Sabi ko, wala kami ditong disposable cup. So sabi ko sa kanila, punta sila ng 7-Eleven kasi pwede silang kumuha doon. Free naman na yun. Or else, pwede silang bumili ng coffee tapos manghingi sila. Ngayon sabi, ayaw talaga. Ayaw. Ayaw ko namang makipag-away. Nakakapagod makipag-away, guys. So ngayon, sabi niya, please, give me anything, ganun siya. Wala talaga. Ang glass na meron kami dito is yung tip jar o tip glass namin dito na kinuha ko lang din yun sa bahay. So sabi ko, okay, here. Aba, tinanggap talaga. So ngayon, yung si Cheryl, nag-ask siya kung nasaan daw yung tip jar. So kwininto ko sa kanya na binigay ko nga ganito, ganyan. So, wala kaming tip jar ngayon dito. So, bukas ata magdala na lang ako. Nakalimutan ko rin na naibigay ko pala sa kanila. So, magdala na lang ako bukas galing sa bahay. So, yun. Kasi, minsan guys, hindi worth it na makipag-away lalo na paglasing. So, pabayaan na lang. Kung as much as possible, ibigay mo na lang yung kailangan nila. Kung meron ka naman talaga maybe. Kung wala, edi wala. Sabihin mo na lang ng malumanay, ganun. Pasensyahan talaga dito guys sa liquor store as in. Since hindi tayo busy ngayong gabi, ikwento ko sa inyo ang mga responsibilidad ng isang liquor store cashier dito sa Calgary or Alberta, Canada. So, aside from cashiering, aside sa mag-receive ka ng deliveries at bantayan yung store na hindi manakawan, ay may mga ibang responsibilidad rin po yung isang cashier na gampanan dito sa loob ng liquor store. For example, dito sa Alberta, yung pwedeng bumili ng alak ay 18 years old above. Dito, may policy yung AGLC na pag mukha siyang 25 years old below ay kailangan mo siyang i-ask ng ID. So, yung iba nagagalit kasi bakit daw inask yung ID, yung iba naman na-offend sila, yun yung feelings nila. Pero pag ako i-ask ng ID ay talagang magiging masaya ako, meaning or ibig sabihin ay bata ako sa paningin nila. Char! So, yun. So, yung iba nakikipag-away, yung iba talaga, yung iba naiinsulto sila ba na ay hingan ka ng ID, pero wala kaming magagawa kasi yun po yung policy ng AGLC or ng yung gaming something liquor dito sa Alberta. So, may ano din yun, may catch din yun. Kasi, may mga ID sila na pinapakita. Pero alam nyo, may mga fake IDs din dito. So, kailangan, hiramin mo yung ID nila, hawakan mo talaga, tapos i-feel mo yung ID. Kasi, alam mo yung, parang may naka-carve doon, yung pangalan nila, yung mga numbers, or naka-imboost, parang ganon. So, yun ang hindi fake. So, mag-ingat din sa mga fake IDs, okay? So, next is that, paglasing. Pag sobrang lasing na yung customer ay bawal din po siyang silbihan or bawal siyang bintahan ng liquor. Kasi, if ever, mabagok siya doon, naglalakad siya, mabagok siya. So, syempre, mag-iimbestiga yung mga pulis. So later on, baka malaman nila na galing pala sa liquor store, tapos i-check yung CCTV, makita doon na pag ganun-ganon na yung customer, tapos sinilbihan pa rin namin. So sa amin din, isa din kami sa may kasalanan kung bakit nangyari sa kanya yung insidente sa labas, di ba? Na nabagok, or pwera lang doon sa mga, or baka nag-drive siya ng car, pero hindi naman namin alam din kung nagda-drive sila ng sasakyan, di ba? So, basta paglasing na, wag nang bigyan ng alak. Sabihin nyo na lang sa kanya, I'm sorry but I can't serve you. I can't sell liquor because you're drunk. So, just go home first and then take rest. Come back later. Ganon. Pag hindi sila, merong iba talaga nag-i-insist, nakikipag-away. So, pag ganon, ending, tatawag na ng pulis, or if ever madala pa na lumabas, ilock ang door, or pag makita nyo na sa labas pa lang, papunta ng store, pag ganon-ganon na, ilock na ang door, wag nang papasukin para iwas gulo. Yun. Also, bawal din yung minor, utusan yung adult na bumili ng alak dito sa loob ng liquor store. Only if nakita mo yun na yung minor nag-abot ng pera doon sa adult, yun ay bawal. Pagsabihan mo yung adult na, Sir, ma'am, bawal po yung ginagawa nyo. Nakita ko po na binigyan ka ng pera ng isang minor. Kasi nangyari na rin yan doon sa Dover. Bali, yung mga bata pumasok sa store. Ngayon, nung nag-ask ako ng ID, sabi ng bata, nakalimutan daw niya yung ID. Irregular customer naman daw siya dito. So, ang policy din ng AGLC ay regular or hindi regular na customer na yung yung mukha nila ay parang 25 years old below, ay talagang hindi pwedeng bigyan ng booze. Dapat talaga all the time magdala sila ng kanilang ID. So anyway, nangyari na yun doon na pumasok yung mga bata, sabi, naiwan daw yung ID nila sa bahay, ganito, ganyan. So sabi ko, sorry, hindi talaga pwede, kailangan ko talaga yung ID niyo. Hindi regular kami sa kahit na regular customer kayo, kahit na talaga regular VIP customer kayo dito, basta walang ID na ganyan yung height nyo, pagmumukha nyo na parang bata, so hindi talaga pwede. So ngayon sabi nila okay daw, so lumabas. Ngayon nag-wonder ako, nagtambay-tambay lang yung mga bata sa labas, naghintay pala sila na may adult na papasok sa liquor store at utusan nila. So nakita ko, kaya sinabi ko, I'm sorry pero I saw you, sabi ko ng ganun, those kids, they gave you money, so they were here actually already this morning, ganun ko. Tapos sabi niya, no, hindi. Sabi ko, hindi. Wala po silang ID. Sinabi ko na, they don't have ID. Sabi ko nang ganun. So, sabi niya, okay. Di umalis si Manong. So, iwan ko lang kung nung next time na bumalik siya, para pa ba rin yun sa mga bata o hindi na. So, basta ganun, bawal po yan dito na, kahit nga yung DoorDash, skip the dishes, kasi yung liquor store, nandoon na rin sa DoorDash, like for example, sa amin. So, yung driver, pag mag-deliver siya ng alak doon sa bahay, hihingan pa rin niya yung customer ng ID. So if ever walang walang ID yung customer na binibigyan nila or dinideliveran ng liquor, ay hindi talaga nila binibigay. So, binabalik nila yung product dito sa amin. So, yun. So, bawal talaga. ID must be carried all the time, especially pag mukha kang 25 years old below. Customer, regular customer or not regular customer, ID must be asked. So, yun talaga yung policy ng AGLC or dito sa Alberta. Ganun po yun. Napaka-stricto. Kasi, pag ma-fail ka doon, bibigyan ng warning ang liquor store. Tapos, mag-fine ng $800 sa second. Pag third, revoke na yung license. So, yun nga, tinanong din namin sa AGLC na may mga customer kami dito na alam namin na na hindi na sila minor. Minsan nakakalimutan nila yung ID nila. Pwede ba namin silang pagbigyan? Pwede ba namin silang bintahan ng alak? So ang sabi ng AGLC, hindi talaga pwede. Kasi matimingan na may AGLC inspector o officer dyan sa labas ng liquor store, tapos tanungin yung customer na nag-ask ba siya ng ID sa'yo. Tapos pagsabihin na hindi, kasi regular naman ako doon, ang mayayari, kami. So, kaya hindi talaga pwede, sabi ng AGLC. Also, bawal din yung yung picture lang yung pinapakita sa cellphone or yung Xerox copy, bawal po yun. Dapat talaga yung original, actual ID ang ibigay nila sa inyo as proof. Hindi po yung screenshot, hindi po yung ganun, bawal po yun. Hindi yun tinatanggap ng AGLC. Bawal din po na inumin ng customer yung binili nilang alak dito sa loob ng liquor store. Bawal po yun. So, dapat din lumabas sila sa liquor store bago nila i-open yung binili nilang inumin dito. Alam nyo, may kwento ako dyan about sa ID. May kasamahan ako doon sa Ogden, puti, si Dylan. Ngayon, yan si Amo, parati talaga siyang nagre-remind sa amin, ask ID, ganon. Sinusulat pa nga niya doon sa counter, ask ID. So, Sabado yon, si Amo yung morning, siya yung panghapon. Ngayon, nagko-close kami doon ng 9:30. So, parang 9:10, basta ganon, mga 30 minutes before ata siya mag-close, may pumasok na na customer. Ngayon yung customer na yon, babae siya. Tapos ang kwento ni Dylan, sabi niya, pumasok daw yung babae. Tapos dumiretso doon sa cooler, diyan yung sa fridge kasi may mga single cans na cooler. Pumasok daw, tapos biglang pumunta doon, kumuha ng Smirnoff na 473 ml na Smirnoff, tapos biglang bigay sa kanya. Ngayon, nakalimutan niyang i-ask ng ID. Tapos, nagbayad ng cash. Tapos, sabi, thank you, okay, umalis na yung bata, umalis na yung customer. Pagbalik ng customer na yun, kasama na niya yung AGLC officer. Pain pala yun siya ng AGLC. Pain. Bait. So, ngayon, na-shock si Dylan. Sabi nung AGLC officer na, good evening, I am officer blah blah blah, here's my badge, ganito, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, so, this girl came and then, you didn't ask ID, you failed to ask ID. Gumanon. Saglit lang, guys. Ay, itong amo ko. Ravi G! Good, thank you. How are you? Good. How's your throat?
Good, yeah, I can say that okay.
Feeling better? So, ngayon sabi ng AGLC officer, you failed to ask ID. So, si Dylan, nag-reason out pa talaga siya para ma-save niya yung sarili niya, baka kinabahan siya. Sabi niya, tapos, ang sabi daw ni Dylan, sinabihan daw niya yung AGLC na, but, she looks, 22 to me, sabi ni Dylan. So, sabi naman ng officer, yeah, I know, but we have this policy na pag look younger or look 25 years old younger, you should ask ID. So, sabi na lang ni Dylan, I'm sorry. So, ngayon kinuha ng officer yung sinong may-ari, ano yung mobile number, phone number ng may-ari. So binigay ni Dylan, tinawagan si amo na I caught your stuff, hindi nag-ask ng ID, ganito ganyan, so we will give you warning, ganon. So next nito ay fine, ganon. So galit na galit si amo, galit na si Dylan, stress na stress, talagang felt sorry siya. Di tinawagan ako ni amo, ganito ganyan. So sabi ko, what we will do, nangyari na. So ganon. Di ngayon, sabi nung AGLC na officer na next week daw, sabi niya ng ganon, mag-conduct siya ng training. So retraining. So si Dylan is sent for training. So pero naman doon lang sa store. So sabi ng officer, pupunta daw siya sa store. So around this time, ganito ganyan. So nag-email kay amo na ito yung yung schedule na pupunta ko sa store nyo. Make sure lahat ng employee mo sa store na yan ay nandoon. Kami lang ni Dylan ang nandoon na staff, tapos si amo. So ngayon, punta na din, nandoon din ako din yung cashier. Hello, ganito, ganyan. Tapos kwento sa akin ng AGLC officer na, yeah, your colleague, blah, 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 we caught, he didn't ask, that's why we're here to refresh, ganon. Yung course daw, ganon. Okay, ganon. Dumating na si Dylan. Tapos, ayun, inulit sa amin ng AGLC, yung mga policy, ganito, ganyan, na kailangan daw original yung ID, hindi photocopy, hindi picture, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, dapat talaga 25, pag loop 25 years old below, dapat i-ask nga, basta mga ganun. Tapos ito si Dylan, nagtanong pa, sabi ni Dylan, what about daw my brother? Kasi yung brother ni Dylan, older lang si Dylan ng 2 years. So, si Dawson sabi, what about my brother? Alam ko naman na siya, na legal or hindi na siya minor. So, pumupunta din siya dito. So, mag-ask ba din ako ng ID? Yun yung tanong ni Dylan sa officer. Sabi ng officer na, I think that's fine. Sabi ng officer, but that if ako yung officer na nag-inspect or ako yung officer na nagra-random check kasi sinabi mo sa akin kilala na kita. Pero what if ibang officer ang nakadestino sa lugar na to tapos walang ID yung kapatid mo, so that's no-no din. So ngayon, okay, so my brother should bring his ID all the time. Yes, even if brother mo siya, ganito, ganyan. So, okay yun, okay na, lahat sinabi na ng AGLC, so okay na lahat, ganito, ganyan, wala nang question, ganito, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. So sabi ni Dylan, okay daw, approve din ako, okay, wala na, umalis na yung AGLC. Ay, pero sabi pa ng AGLC, we might come back for a random check again, maybe after 5 months, 6 months, ganon yung AGLC officer. Okay daw, ganito, ganyan, okay, walang problema. Biglang bumalik kinabukasan yung AGLC, nag-random check, nahuli na naman si Dylan. Nahuli na naman siya. Pumasok na naman, iba na naman, lalaki. Tapos, ang siste, hindi, pumasok yung lalaki. Kumuha ng beer. Na Zaybad, chika-chika si Zaybad, how are you? Blah, 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 blah. Tapos nag-asta na adult na siya. Dito guys, kaya nga sinasabi ng AGLC na, if look 25 years old below, yung mukha, yung height or something ganon, according sa judgment mo, i-ask talaga ng ID. So if kasi sila dito, ang lalaking bulas, malalaki sila pero nasa pa lang, 18 years old, 16 years old ang lalaki, tapos chubby, ganun, mga matured yung mukha ng mga bata nila dito. So, hindi naman lahat pero mostly ganun. So, ngayon, si Dylan, the next day, bumalik kay Jill, nag-random check. Pinain na naman yung lalaki, nahuli na naman siya. Nahuli na naman si Dylan. Tapos, sabi ng Jill, it's you again, gawanon. Sabi, Dylan, hindi na nagsabi. Sinabi na lang niya kay amo na, I think I need to rest. Gawanon siya kay amo. Kaya nawala si Dylan doon sa Ogden. Kasi sabi niya, I think I need rest. Ganon siya. So, sabi naman ni amo, okay, walang problema. Na-fine ng $800 ang nagbayad si amo. Ay, hindi. Parang winave ata. Di ko lang alam. Basta first warning, second, $800. So, ewan ko kung nagbayad si amo nun or na-wave. Basta something ganun, oo. Pero si Dylan, siya na nag-surrender. Siya na nagsabi kay amo na, I think I need to rest. Ganun siya. So, kaya naalis siya doon, nagdahil doon. Ewan ko ba, anong nangyari? Gumanon talaga si amo sa kanya. Really, Dylan? Really? Really? Kasi sinabi na agency, oh, you have to pay $800, ganito, ganyan. Tapos yung AGLC, sabi niya, it's you again. Ano yun yung AGLC kay Dylan? As in talaga, natatawa na lang ako. Pero si Dylan, super stress talaga. So, from that time, ay talaga, regular or hindi regular, ask talaga ng ID, wapa, Kels. Kahit pa mukhang 40 years old ka, ask ID, bahala na to be safe, di ba? Wala ka dito sa kasamahan namin ni Aldrin. Matatawa ka. Kasi, after nung siya, yung AGLC pumunta doon, tas trinain ulit si Dylan or about sa course, ganito, ganyan. Sinabi din ng AGLC na pupunta din siya sa kabilang store. So, lahat ng employee mo, i-gather mo dito sa store. So, yung kasamahan namin dito, pumunta din. Si Aldrin lang hindi kasi may duty si Aldrin that time. So, ngayon, lahat sabi, strict to sa ID, ganito, ganyan. Alam niyo, guys, yung kasama namin dito ni Aldrin, yung customer namin, nagsumbog sa akin, galit na galit. Sabi ko, Cynthia, why are you mad? What happened? Sabi niya, oh, I want to tell you. Wait. Sabi niya, ganun kasi pagpasok niya dito. Sabi ko, hi Cynthia, how are you? Sabi niya, guman yung mukha niya sa akin. Sabi ko, what happened? Why are you mad? Oh, I'll tell you. Wait, let me grab my beer. Sabi ko, what happened? Relax, what happened to you? Sabi niya, ganun, yung kasamahan mo dito, inask ako ng ID. Sinabi ko sa kanya, are you being serious? Are you being serious right now? Really? Seriously? Gumanon daw siya. Kasi naman, sabi ko na ganun, what happened? Sabi niya, inask niya ako ng ID. ID? Sabi niya, yeah. And she told me na, I need your ID because AGLC will, ganito, ganyan. Tapos alam niyo yun, si Cynthia, ilang taon na Cynthia? 65 years. Katatawa lang, sabi ko, really? So, inano ko na lang, sabi ko, oh, you should be happy, Cynthia, that she was asking your ID. Sinabi ko ng ganon. It is because you look young. China-char-char ko na lang si Cynthia. Parang, sabi niya, whatever. Gumana na siya. Puti na yung hair ni Cynthia. Puting-puti. Tapos inas ng ID. Nairita siya. Pero na rin siya, na calm down siya. Sinabi ko na lang, kasi, baka hindi niya na-gets yung sinabi ng officer, sabi ko ng ganun. Pero baka nga, young ka sa paningin niya, Cynthia, kaya huwag kang magalit. Be happy. Ginagano ako, maybe you look like 16 years old, sweet 16, ginagano-gano, char-char pa, para ma-okay lang siya. Tapos, simulan nun, ayaw na niya sa kasamahan dito. Pero nung kinausap ko siya, don't be like that, ginaganon ko. Tapos, naging okay na siya. Naging, mas best friend pa sila ngayon kaysa sa akin. Matawa na lang ako pag na-recall ko yung, ma-remind ko yung ma-remember ko yung eksena na yun. As in, matawa ka, guys. Magkita mo si Cynthia, puti na yung hair. Tatanungin mo ng ID. Kaya sinabi ko rin sa kanya, sabi ko, kasi na-fine na rin siya before, kaya basta ang dami kong char-char para lang ma-calm down siya. Ang hirap niya calm down kasi high blood siya. Are you being serious right now? Ginaganon daw niya. Ay, grabe. So, yun, guys. So, mabigat din yung responsibilidad din ng isang liquor store cashier kasi ang daming rules and regulations. Syempre, mag-involve din yung police, ma-involve yung AGLC officer, yun. Tapos nakasalalay yung license ng store, pag syunga-syunga yung cashier, ganun, guys. So, yun lang naman ang ma-share ko, guys, dito sa responsibilidad or mga responsibilidad ng isang liquor store cashier sa Alberta, Canada. Canada pa more. Char! So I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, God bless everyone. Bye! Mag-close na ako kasi 10 na. Uwian na. Kung ni Aldrin pa, ayawan na daw. Bye!